An objective of this lesson is to develop a workable process of pre-use inspection and successfully apply it to all 7 of the machine types shown. Achieving this will not be difficult as long as we look at each machine as a sum total of its parts and systems. That means we should not be too concerned with whether the filter we are looking at is an oil filter or a fuel filter, whether it is on a Caterpillar or a Komatsu, or indeed, whether it is on an excavator or a grader. It is a filter. We need to know what we are looking at, why we are inspecting it, and what it is we are looking for. Finally, we need to be able to determine if the filter is serviceable or not, and if it is not, we need to know what the appropriate corrective action should be. The easiest approach to a pre-use inspection is to look at the machine systems. We have already mentioned some of these systems, so let's get started. Each of our 7 machine types is powered by a diesel engine, so let's first look at the engine as a primary unit, with systems. Basically, an engine in good working order requires a supply of 4 things. It needs lubricating oil, clean fuel, clean air, and coolant. To adequately inspect the engine, these 4 systems must be inspected and deemed satisfactory. If you were wondering why turbochargers are so hot, let us take a moment and explain. Not only does the turbocharger compress and supply clean air going into the engine, it also receives the hot exhaust gases coming out of the engine's cylinders. These hot gases are harnessed by the exhaust side of the turbocharger to spin a small turbine at very high revolutions per minute. This turbine shares a common shaft with the compressor on the air intake side. The turbocharger is a key component in attaining maximum horsepower from a diesel engine. An inspection of a track machine involves checking the tension of the track and looking for loose or missing bolts. Check track pads, track master link, sprocket segments, bottom roller bolts, top roller stands and bolts, and front idler guides and guards. Discussing seat belts is an easy lead to the topic of other safeguards. Every piece of heavy equipment has safeguards that help shield the operator from injury. These include, but are not limited to, footholds, handholds, steps, walkways, and railings. Getting on and off one of these machines can be hazardous under the best of conditions. Add in a mix of wet metal, mud, snow, or ice, and an operator really needs to be on the ball. To lessen the risk of injury, an operator must use 3 points of contact when mounting or dismounting equipment. Inspect all safeguard items, ensuring that they are not worn, broken, bent, twisted, or missing. Taking the time to repair these kinds of problems is a small price to pay when you compare it to a broken ankle, a fall from 3 meters or 10 feet, a strained muscle, or worse.